Hey folks, it's Monday, August 29th. I'm at Universal Studios in Orlando, Florida. Today we're going to go in, do a few rides, maybe have a little lunch. I don't know yet. Definitely look for some new Halloween Horror Nights merch, some new Halloween Horror Nights updates. And yeah, we're really happy to be here and we're really happy to have you guys along with us. So let's head on inside. Hey guys, we're making it onto the park now. They just got all the Halloween Horror Nights banners and signage up for the front and it looks amazing. Crowds are kind of light today too. Not too bad. Guys, we're getting so close now and the hype is getting so real for Halloween Horror Nights. I know it might be a little overdone at this point, but now with all this extra stuff coming up into these scare zones and the signage that says Halloween Horror Nights in the black and red, I don't know about you guys, but I'm like 10 out of 10 hype. 4 days away. It looks like today's the day that we're going to find the shirt for the giveaway, guys. They got these new booths out front that have all of the newer, really awesome Halloween Horror Nights merch. So we are most definitely going to pick out the shirt that we're going to give away to one of you lucky viewers and subscribers. Oh, this hoodie though. I'm probably going to buy this Universal Monsters Roosevelt shirt. I can't stop myself. Oh no, the Halloween hoodie.
I'm sure he's so wet, so.
Got lanyards, lots of really cool Halloween decorations, fanny packs. Jennifer's gonna want this fanny pack. Coffee mugs. These are the Never Go Alone shirts again. Then they got some beanies, fanny packs, Halloween Horror Nights Spirit jersey, and then they got these really cool picture frames, Egyptian themed one, Michael Myers, and then the Universal Monsters one. Flashing horns, devil horns. They got some wreaths, decorative head wreaths. Socks, tube socks. It looks like the tribute store is finished and ready to open. Dare to enter, but I don't think it's open yet. I think I'm almost as hyped for this tribute store as I am for anything else. Wait time for Gringotts is only 15 minutes. Let's go do it. It said 15 minutes outside. The line looked a little long, so we came around and got in a single rider line. We'll see if it's any faster. Goblins. I don't get to see as much of the queue this way, but for science, we need to see if it's faster. Looks like we're already approaching the end of the queue. The single rider line is like a walk-on.
antiques. I thought they were brilliant, motherboards. A little dose of pain to help you remember. Yes, he will destroy you. He'll get you out of here. Where'd he go? Here we go.
Is everyone okay? Hope you still want to open an account. After all, it's the safest place on Earth, right?
There was nobody riding Hank's Whirly Whirl, and I really wanted to ride it, so we're gonna ride it.
And your tickets are non-refundable! Non-refundable! To honor your freedom, you must help us conquer Springfield. Aim your craft at your fellow humans. It's fun! Let them feel that Nigel burn! Come on, let's not try to move people! Your performance very sickens me!
I saw Homer and Marge down there.
Have you never invaded a city before?
It's me, Dingus. You're my carrot.
You aim like my mother. You have terrible pain.
Nana. Mommy.
Next time, let your dog try. Which thing is their face?
You're my carrot.
Let's see smoke and fire. This is going on my report.
Stop it.
Hug us!
Homer and Marge are out. Looks like they're leaving though. I love this booth, it's so amazing. Hey, look, it's Squidward. Let's see if Squidward sees me through the window. This is the Gudetama merch they have here. For those of you that don't know, Gudetama is a Korean, I believe. And I think it's the coolest stuff they have here because it's called the lazy egg or the depressed egg. And I think it's just really, really cool. It's definitely getting a little busier here now. It's around 11 and Despicable Me Minion Mayhem is up to 50 minutes. We won't be doing that today. But yeah, people definitely funneling in now. It's getting very busy. Here's one of the Halloween Horror Nights menus that I missed the other day when I was in here. They have a carnitas arepas, witch's spell cauldron stew, and a mozzarella arepas. That looks so good. I hope it's going to be a Beetlejuice themed game. And then another basketball game. And then around the corner they have this one that's got that like classic Halloween theme to it. With the, you know, like the vintage 50s, 60s Halloween decoration. All right, guys, so we did the full circle and we came back. We thought about it for a while, and this is the one. This is the shirt. We will be giving this shirt away in your size to someone who likes, subscribes, and comments on this video. This giveaway will end 1 week from today, and then I'll buy the shirt and send it out to the random winner. We were considering doing Rip Ride Rocket, but by the time we got back over here, the wait on it was really long. It's 45 minutes, and I'm probably not going to be here that much longer. But I can stand here and live vicariously through these people. They have a lot of characters out today, so I figured I'd walk down through here and briefly show you guys who all we got today. There's Hello Kitty, Shaggy and Scooby are here. Marilyn was out here just a little bit ago too, along with Betty Boop. But it's pretty hot out, so I imagine those two went to greener pastures for a little while. But we do have around here Bart and Lisa. I don't know if anyone else just loves standing here and watching the water taxis come in and out as much as I do, but I don't know. This is, for some reason, one of my favorite things to do at Disney and Universal both. I just love water taxis. I think they're amazing. And then we get to watch this one leave. I'm like a little kid with trains. My dad was a shrimp boat captain like Forrest Gump. Maybe that's why. Maybe it's just in my DNA. Let me know in the comments below if I'm not the only one. I wanted to show this to everyone. It's an Easter egg that not a lot of people know about. It's hidden behind the Hard Rock Cafe on the path between Studios and Islands of Adventure. It's an actual piece of the Berlin Wall that they put back here. And it's hidden, and it's really cool. And I thought more people would like to know about it. You can walk around here anytime you want and take a look at it. This is my running goals right here. Forrest Gump. What a really cool time as always when we come to Universal. We had a blast. We got to do a couple of rides. We got to see some more Halloween Horror Nights updates. We got to see some of the new merch that's out, which I was really stoked about because some of it's awesome. And we picked out a shirt for one of you guys. We found the shirt. That's one of the biggest reasons. Well, that is the biggest reason that I came back today, was because I kind of felt bad about mentioning the giveaway and then not finding the shirt yesterday and in my last video. So I came back, made sure I got it, picked it out. We're going to do that giveaway 7 days from today. Today is August 29th, so like this video, comment on this video. That you don't even have to comment anything in particular, and then subscribe to the channel. And as long as you do those 3 things, you're totally eligible to win the Halloween Horror Nights 31 Never Go Alone t-shirt that's featured earlier in the video. And I'll probably make a thumbnail out of it too, so that you guys can get a good look at it. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching this. Please like, please subscribe, hang out here with me. We have lots of fun. We're going to be doing lots more cool stuff. Disney, Volcano Bay, Aquatica. Thanks for being with me today. Stay brutal.